On a very hot day in the city, a thirsty crow flew from place to place looking for water. Caw, caw, I am so thirsty, said the crow. The crow searched near houses, shops, and parks, but everywhere was dry. Then the crow saw a cold drink cup outside a cafe. Inside the cup, there was a little juice left. The crow became excited, but the juice was too low. Its beak could not reach inside the tall cup. The crow tried to push the cup. It tried to peck it, but nothing worked. Then the clever crow noticed a straw lying nearby. An idea popped into its mind. The crow picked up the straw with its beak and carefully placed it into the cup. The crow drank the juice happily through the straw. A little girl sitting nearby watched in surprise. "Wow, what a smart crow!" she said. From that day, she always kept water bowls outside for birds and animals. The crow flew away happily under the bright blue sky. The moral of the story: smart thinking can solve big problems. If you were thirsty and had you seen less water, what would you do? Let me know in the comments box. Thank you.